A lot of people ask, like, what does a law firm have to do with, like, the Barber Expo? And I'm like, everything starts in a barber shop. Like, building a relationship with you guys has been amazing. Like, you don't have to support our industry. You don't. But the fact that you give back to barbers, we notice that.
When I look at J Majors, but you've taken a whole community and gelled it.
Barbering saved my life. I'm still fortunate to be here, so that's why I am so passionate about this.
You're saving lives now. It's what's being given back. It's teaching kids they can be their own boss. It's an art. Look what you've done in business. All right, besides the barbering, the expo, all right, they come in from all over the world.
Growing up, going to a barber shop, he was like my mentor. He just sit me in the chair and he just told me that the bad and good, especially now, I have a nephew. Being a barber saved his life. And
barbers as a whole really need to realize their responsibility as pillars in their community. And I believe it is our duty as someone that's been in that community for a long time and knows what's going on. There's people that walk the walk and talk the talk. I mean, I wish I was younger. You know, I met a Sammy and I met a you. And I guess everything happens for a reason. I wasn't ready for the relationship that we have to this day.
All right, the blessing is that your life is full, you live it with purpose. And that's the way I like to feel what we're doing, and that's why we love to be in the communities.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to the 2025 CT Barber Expo Barber Grammys. Leader in the law field here in the Connecticut area, and happens to be a good friend of mine with a hell of a head of hair on him. Give it up for my good friend, attorney Jeffrey Dressler.